I am Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja, standing for the president post in the APPNE 2025 elections. I firmly believe that my skills and experiences make me well suited to contribute effectively in this role. Throughout my involvement with the Association of Pakistani Physicians of Northern Europe, I have championed diversity and inclusion initiatives, gaining a deep understanding of the unique challenges faced by the international medical graduates in various settings. My strong communication and organizational skills are essential attributes for the president post. As a committed advocate for the rights of healthcare professionals, I have been an unwavering supporter of the doctors' strike, recognizing the legitimacy of their demands. On the behalf of Association of Pakistani Physicians of Northern Europe, I have expressed serious concerns to the Prime Minister and the Health Secretary regarding the ongoing wave of strikes, emphasizing the significant impact on the healthcare system. I have called on all stakeholders to engage in meaningful negotiations to resolve the current deadlock. Promoting democracy is a core principle I uphold, and empowering members remain at the forefront of my efforts. I am committed to advocating for the rights of members to choose their preferred candidates in this election, ensuring their voices are heard and their choices respected. Thank you very much.